Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator. First, ensure your vehicle is off and cool. Gather all your tools such as a wrench set, a new alternator, and a battery terminal cleaner. Safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable from your car's battery. This prevents accidental electrical shorts during the repair process. Next, identify the alternator's location, usually on the front or side of the engine. Now let's remove the old alternator. You'll need to relieve tension on the serpentine belt. Use a breaker bar or a specific tensioner tool to rotate the tensioner pulley, then carefully slip the belt off the alternator. Next, disconnect the main power wire and any other electrical connectors attached to the alternator. Finally, unbolt the alternator from its mounting brackets and carefully lift it out of the engine bay. Keep track of all bolts. With the old unit out, it's time to install the new alternator. Carefully place the new alternator into its designated mounting brackets. Insert and tighten all the mounting bolts to secure it firmly in place. Next, reconnect all the electrical wires and connectors, ensuring they are snug and properly seated. Finally, reroute the serpentine belt around all the pulleys, making sure it's correctly aligned before releasing the tensioner. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal, ensuring a tight connection. Start your engine and observe the dashboard. The battery or charging system warning light should now be off. For an extra check, use a multimeter to confirm the charging voltage is between 13.5 and 14.5 volts. This indicates your new alternator is working correctly. Remember to check the description below for links to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals on tools and accessories to help with your next project.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.